What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on this Honda Civic hatch, and we're going to be making a custom floor for it. Yeah, you don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. Alright, so pretty much this Honda Civic hatch, 90s I believe around there. It's wide body, pretty cool, pretty different. He has a full race setup in here, so he wanted to make a custom floor for the trunk and basically add the speaker just showing on the top of the floor. We're gonna end up doing it with the diamond, the black diamond. We were trying to find blue, but we couldn't match here. He really likes blue but we couldn't match it to none of the fabric I had, so we're gonna just go with the classic black. And he already dynamat the whole floor in preparations for this. So what we did, we had to do a bracket, a brace up there to hold. So this is a SIPO bracket. It extends above everything, so we actually had to lift up the speaker a little bit because it's a slanted kicker box to level it out. And then we put brackets on all four. Ouch, just hit myself with the hatch, that hurt. So you put 3 brackets to hold it on, and it's on there. It has self tappers, so it's not going nowhere. We're actually going to wrap that also. So when you look at it from the inside, you'll see a diamond also along with the top. It is going to be removable since he's going to have the speaker on here. He's going to have an amp and stuff. He wants access to the fuel pump also. And then we're just going to basically do, using the old method I used in another video down below. We're going to do a bunch of cardboard, match it up. And then once we get that, we put it onto this template, and then we'll cut it out and then place it. If it comes out good, we'll wrap it, and we'll see how we do with this speaker box. But pretty much pretty different. I had to bring it up to that level of that bracket, so that's what that bracket is there, that brace is there for. And then the subwoofer will hold the rest down this side. Cool little project. Let's see how it comes out. All right, so basically this is a rough draft of what that looks like. Everything's levitated, so it's going to be a straight shot from here all the way to the back to those braces over there. And now that you saw how I did that, I'm gonna end up lining it out and using a jigsaw to cut out the template, and then we're going to try to fit it onto this and see how it matches up. So the bracket is covered. It looks great. Not the bracket, the brace. Now we're gonna finish the top one off, the top floor, and we're gonna put it in to see how it looks. So basically, once you cut out the template on this, you cut it up with the jigsaw and you wrap it with the leather. I use Permatex. 3 of them never really worked for me, so I use Permatex, and then this is the finished product. A full VIP floor We were gonna do the speakers, but it turns out that doesn't line up directly with the floor, and it's gonna bring it down. It's gonna sag on one side more than the other. But this looks freaking great. Came out amazing. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support that you guys have given the channel and the social media platforms. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys. I want to do another video just like this one, more or less breaking it down more. Probably doing a whole other video from start to finish, but every little step. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to see that, because it's very tedious, and it's step by step. I could show you how to do that properly. You know, this was like a client, I didn't want to be recording too much, but I did get to show you more or less the steps that it takes to make that floor. But again, comment down below, let me know if you want to see a video just like that, but more DIY, breaking it down, and I'll do that for you guys. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.